Let's analyze how to approach personality comparison statements and what they reveal about communication styles and self-awareness. Let's look at our first pair of statements. On one side, we have if I don't agree with someone, I let them know. On the other side, we have when I disagree with someone, I tend to keep it to myself. The rating scale ranges from most like me through somewhat like me on both sides. This comparison reveals a key aspect of communication style. The left statement indicates a direct communication approach, where someone openly expresses disagreement. The right statement suggests a more reserved or indirect approach to handling conflict. Now, let's examine our second pair of statements. The first statement is, sometimes my coworkers frustrate me. The second is, I never get frustrated with my coworkers. We have the same rating scale for this comparison. This comparison tests self-awareness and honesty in responses. The first statement acknowledges normal workplace emotions and is more realistic. The second statement uses an absolute term, never, which is unlikely to be true for most people. When answering personality comparisons like these, it's important to be honest with yourself, consider your typical behavior rather than ideal behavior, and remember there are no right or wrong answers, just different styles and approaches.